What's up, YouTube? Another day is in the books, which means we had another chance to get in our bag and do what we do. If you made money today, I want to hear all about it. I want to say major salute to those of you that did get busy on today. Now listen, guys, I got a jam-packed video for you. Class will be in session. I'm going to teach you today something I want you to add to your arsenal, okay? Our word of the day will be retracement or pullback. I want you to use them interchangeably, okay, in terms of how I'm going to teach it to you today. But listen, guys, do me a favor. Please make sure you subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Kicking it off with my favorite portion of every single video is loving on a family, guys. Again, if you're not, please follow me on IG. That's where I'm going to always post these in my stories to make sure I celebrate and show you guys off every single day. I love these daily testimonials. This one from Charles Green. He titled it Spy. This made my day. Look at this. One put, one call, over $1,000, $1,112 before noon. Way to absolutely make money in both directions. Charles, if you see this, I want to say major salute. You made Coach proud. You made Coach proud. Guys, I've been teaching this on YouTube for you guys since 2020. And back in the day, everybody was scared to make money in both directions, okay? And so I brought that to this space, like showing you that it's possible. But we used to leave so much money on the table. But now I'm seeing more and more of you guys embracing making money when you clearly see that stocks are going to the downside. Like I always say, you don't have to sit idle when it's a down day or a down moment in the market. Sometimes it might go down for an hour or two at a time, and it's okay to jump in and ride that little temporary wave and collect a couple dollars, okay? And Charles did just that on today, okay? So Charles, phenomenal job, way to execute. Now this one was from Danielle Bailey. She made my day. She said thanks. And listen to this, guys. Hi, Chris. I hope that your day is going well. I'm responding to your request during your video yesterday. Thanks for your guidance and coaching with options and trading. I appreciate your consistency and how you break things down to where I can understand as I learn. Yesterday, I made $453.65 with your Tesla call. I got out of Tesla early yesterday and got back in today during the downturn, the scenic route. I'm continuing to study charting and the market. I'm determined with the grace of God to continue to learn and grow. And then she threw one of my favorites in there, Ephesians 3:20. Thanks again, Danielle. Danielle, I told you when I wrote you back, you absolutely made my day, but you also did a phenomenal job in terms of your execution, in terms of your ability to understand the assignment. Then, I love it. You jumped back in the mix today and got your feet wet some more, guys. This is a beautiful game when done right. We ain't guessing. We not gambling. We're not getting rich quick. We are simply, guys, learning a skill that can change your life. I'm going to always keep it simple for you guys. That's what we do around here. I'm going to teach you how to properly read a chart. That's an underrated skill, and it'll do wonders for your world, wonders for your life, and your ability to grow your money and grow your wealth. It will expedite the process, guys, for all of you to getting off the corporate plantation if that's what you desire to do. So again, Danielle, Charles, major salute. Guys, let me know down in the comments below if you made money today, okay? Don't worry, though. We'll be right back at it tomorrow. So make sure you guys are in the Discord first thing in the morning. The link for that is in the description below. Okay, now listen, guys. We about to jump into our lesson on today. So buckle up, okay? Buckle up. Take some notes on this. Word of the day is a retracement / pullback. I want to teach and show you guys why you should never chase, okay? A couple things. Always identify. Well, one, we on a 30-minute time frame, okay? This is Nvidia. Just so you know, we closed at 120.87. Absolutely crushed it today, up nearly 4%. We're up another $1 in after hours, sitting at 121.29. Okay, now check this out, guys. Some things I want you to see. Let me know if you see this little top. Let me know if you see this little top. Okay. sometimes the market gives you clues as to where they want to come when they take the scenic route. Okay, these little tops, I told you there's no coincidences in the market. Okay, you need to understand that they're showing you things because they ultimately want to come back to these things. Okay, now today's word is retrace. Okay, write this down, guys. This is why you never chase, because the stocks will always retrace. You can also use the word pullback if you want to as well. Okay, retrace or pullback. All right, that's our word of the day. Write that down. Write our word of the day. Stock lingo is retrace. Let me get that up out of there. Y'all know we keep a clean chart. Okay, remember those first two examples, 1 and 2, that I gave you. Okay, now look at this. Identify these tests of support. This black line is support. Okay, support, guys. Always know at the bottom is support. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, identify that on your journey. Okay, now check this out. We came down, ran up this morning. Boom. Stop right there. Okay, but then we quickly slam back down, and then boom, slam back down to support. That, guys, is the retrace. You've seen previous days, okay, here, that this level was operating as support. It was holding. Okay, this retrace right there allowed for this next move to come. So this green candle, let me clear this out. You guys need to learn these lessons. The first move will always come back to this same exact level right here. So 1, 2. Okay, that's where the first candle is going to come. If it break that candle, the next move, let me move this out the way because now you need to see how it go. The next move is going to come to will be here, and that will be 3. Okay, or you can call that 2, 3 here. Okay, it's going to get to this same height, and then here. That's what those levels are for. And if you break out, which we did, boom, you take off. Okay, you need to understand that the retrace is what you wait on. So your entry, let me clear this up. Your entry, you don't chase this right here. That's a no-no. Okay, you wait for this move right here. That's your entry right there. Always buy at support. We buy calls at support. Okay, you buy calls at support, and then boom, you put your stop loss right underneath, because then you get this big move, knowing that these were targets that they were going to try to test right here, this one and this one. Okay, then it took off. Oh, don't overstay your welcome, guys. See profit, take profit. Okay, and then we ended today. Look at this. Let me clear this up because y'all missing these nuggets. Okay, let me clear this up. This same high right here is where the stock will come back. Once the stock done going up, it's going to come back to the same level. Okay, then boom, it's going to create a double top before going higher. Okay, now listen, guys, that's a lesson in and of itself that I wanted to share with you guys on today, that I wanted to make sure you understood. Wait for the retracement to happen. Don't ever chase. Let it retrace. Every stock that run up gonna always come back. So you don't have to jump in. You don't have to have a bad entry. You have to just be patient. You have to be patient. If you miss the train, catch the next one. If you miss the train, catch the next one. Okay? Wait for the retracement. Wait for the pullback. If it run up, you got to say, boom, I got to sit this one out. You got to sit this one out. But wait for it to pull back, and then, boom, you jump in. And then you take off with the stock, knowing it's going to hit those upside levels that I just showed you. Watch this video twice for the lesson. These are gems you won't get anywhere else, guys. That's life-changing when you understand how the chart is used to make you wealthy, okay? But you got to understand it's high level chess. It is high level chess, and so you have to begin to see the game like that, okay? So Nvidia, guys, they're going to take the scenic route to get there as well, but they are ready to rock and roll. Today was just a glimpse, okay? So when it retrace, let that be your cue to get in when it's holding and above, maintaining and respecting support, okay? Keep that in mind for me, all right? Let me know if you guys understand that. Let me know if that's clear, okay? Speaking of Nvidia, guys, let's go ahead and pull this up real quick. Look at this, guys. Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA, sitting at 121.45, up over $4.50 today, 4%, up another 42 cents in after hours. Look at this. Look at this lesson. 9.45, it took off. 9.40, it went to 117. That showed you a high in the first 10 minutes at open. They retraced it down to support to 115. We already knew they were coming back to 117. One support hold, you already know what's coming back to that level. So if you guys learn to be patient and buy low off top, you can make a 60-point move. Just a $2 move is 60 points in options. That's $6,000 or $600. Okay, when you learn how to do options math. Okay, so then boom, we already know what's coming back to 217. Once it, look at this, 117.27, we already knew it was coming to that level. Once it broke that level, that was resistance, boom, we flew to 121.33, retraced a little bit back there to 120.60, and then boom, we went to 121.60. Look at those numbers, 120.60, 121.60. Okay, guys, I'm a surgical guy. I call these things to the penny. I study these things down to the penny. So understand, there's no coincidences in the market. Look at these prices, 121.47. Remember that number. Remember what his closing price right here, 121.60, 121.61. Those things matter, okay? They matter for future references, like tomorrow, like Friday, like next week. Like when we crash and then come back up, you're just going to be like, oh man, I remember coach told us that number. Now that number is operating with some level of significance to it, okay? So again, guys, Nvidia got busy today. And again, it was all about the retracement. The retracement, being patient, allowing the stock that ran up. It had a false breakout, came back and had a false breakdown, and then shot back up. They like to take the scenic route. So guys, you have to learn to be patient. So look, some next levels, now that we're up here at 121, you got 123 is on deck next, okay? 123 is on deck. But what if they sell off tomorrow? Okay, then when they sell off and come back down, look, they're gonna come back down right to the same level again. Okay, 116.13, they're gonna come to this line. 116.35, they're gonna come to this line. So now you already know 121, and then above 121, 123. But be patient. Look how much money that's a 6. If you get it at 116 and it come to 1, that's a $5 move. If you learn to be patient, you can be like, oh my God. And then when you really get good at this game, guys, you can, if you see it reject, you can ride it down from 121 to 116. That's $5 in the downward direction, and that's $5 in the upward direction. Boom. That's the 100K challenge done in one trade in both directions. Okay, by just understanding what's going on. When you learn this, guys, it's life changing. That's why I get so excited and passionate every day teaching and showing you guys these things. Okay, now check this out. Before we get up out of here, let's go ahead and look at the SPY. All right, same thing, sitting at 571.29. I told you guys in Discord today, look for this to go to 571. That was target number 1. And if it can break through 571, look for 572. Okay, 571 was the end all be all for it today. But look at this. At market open, boom, we 570. They smashed it right down to support. I told you guys to look for 568. It came 26 cents below my level. Okay, that's a little overshoot. False breakdown. It hit this. If anybody got it at 567 and took it up to 571, boom. I'm telling you guys, it's life-changing money. That $4 move, it will change your life when you learn your levels, when you learn your entries. Buy low. Write that down. Buy low. Buy on the retracement. Buy on the pullback. Buy low. That's your takeaway for today's video, guys. Listen, man, I just want to put that on you all. Great job today. Great job today. The market kind of, after those moves were made, it kind of went flat. So you got to just know when it's time to pull out. You got to know when it's time to fall back from trying to take a trade. You got to know when the move is done, and then you got to gear back up for the next day. And that's what we're preparing for now. Tomorrow, I want Tesla, SPY, Nvidia on your radar. Okay, Meta too. All right, and be ready to do your thing. Matter of fact, just be in the Discord, okay? Be in the Discord first thing in the morning. The link for that is in the description below. Listen, guys, great job today. Great job today. Get 1% better. Around here, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.